So one day I was looking at my desktop and I found it really boring. I tried to look out on different websites, on the free website and so on for 8K and 4K backgrounds to maybe I can find something really interesting that I can put as a background for my desktop. I searched it, I found some, but it didn't go well. I was still thinking something is missing. And that moment I was thinking, oh, maybe I can use video as a background for my desktop. Yeah, why not? At the moment I have Windows 11 like most of you, and it is not really straightforward to put a video as background in Windows 11. In earlier versions like Windows 7 Ultimate, it was possible to put a video as the background by default Windows configuration. You don't need to add any add-on or something extra, third-party application and so on. So I decided to do a simple search and find some application about how to put video as a background. And I found Lively Wallpaper in Microsoft Store, which is a free application that you can choose a video as your background. And it also supports multiple displays. In my case, I have two displays. One is portrait, the other one is landscape. And it was working perfectly. I was so surprised, and it has a lot of features and it's really straightforward. Let me show you how to work with it. Okay, first open Microsoft Store and search for Lively Wallpaper and install it. Once it is installed, open the app. On the top right corner, click on Active Wallpaper. From there, you can choose which monitor you want to customize, and it works with both landscape and portrait setups. Now, let's add a video as our wallpaper. Click on Add Wallpaper and upload your own video file. Once it is uploaded, you can name it, add a description, or customize it further. And just like that, my background has changed to a video. It's so simple, right? There's something even cooler. You can set a YouTube video as your background. Just copy the link to the YouTube video, paste it in the app, and it will work. If the link doesn't get recognized, click the share button on YouTube, copy the link again, and try pasting it again. I tried this with a YouTube short, and guess what? I kind of broke it. You will see what I mean in a minute. So here it is. Instead of just loading the video, they uploaded the entire YouTube page, and I could even browse other pages right from desktop. How cool is that? Isn't it? Aside from using your own video, Lively Wallpaper also has a library of pre-made background. Let me show you some of my favorites. There's a retro TV screen with a static noise, which gives a nostalgic vibe. A cool Matrix-style digital code background, like real Matrix movie. A soothing jellyfish animation that looks amazing. An abstract design with interactive colors that move when you move your mouse. If you like something more technical, there is a system monitor background that shows your PC hardware stats. But in my case, it displayed the wrong hardware, so it wasn't very accurate. There is also a flying over mountain background, which gives you the feeling of soaring above endless hills. Another option is triangles and lights, which looks like a Linux background. The tiles light up as you move your mouse, and it's super satisfying. One of my personal favorite is the rain background. It reminds me of looking out the window on a rainy day. The raindrops falling and sliding down the screen creates such a cozy and charming vibe. There is also a music tunnel, but to be honest, I didn't find it very exciting. Another standout for me is the parallax effect background. It uses multiple layers that move at different speeds, creating a 3D-like effect. This is one of my absolute favorite, and I'm currently using it. And lastly, there's a responsive periodic table for all the chemistry lovers out there. You can highlight different element types, and it's pretty neat if you are into science. So what are you waiting for? Just go out and search for the best video on the internet and put it as your background. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and that motivates me to make more videos for you. Have a good day.